on the wall them. You can start off with Milk, Britney Goff, Tavi, and Jaden too, because I'm go mad enough. Most of them people where you see not sleep, but looking at them and they are so black, Batman them. All them and give them one injection of them bumper clad. Especially Britney, banana foot. Can we tell me talk to him right now? King Dana too. All of them will see start to go pop up back and the fuck with. Me want to switch back from Mocha to MOH. And Shalam. Thank you. Then the panic app, that people have to run them down, just watch their location. Just watch their location, they have to run them down. One day they have to run them down. A while, now then a while again. Just send them to Interstellar and then big you up and send and tell them it's just easy, it's cheap and not even gas money. But they need an injection in them bumper clad now, man. I tell you, they don't plan to come down easy way. You know when they have a little mad boy, then I hear hands out, man, and nah, no matter how they talk to them, they nah, you have to send for him walk a truck. MOH, MOH. MOH, you know. But they turn in a mocha. Want to switch it back from mocha to originality now. Yeah, no more chopper, no whole heap of chopper no there, no. I be a go. If you go, man, then we have money, I know, I go with them. And then the batty business. Them man, I put in blood, sweat, and tears and wait, then turn. Then when we see you getting mad, you know, some different man. Then left hand, the chopping come over here big. Cause money over here, you know. But them mad, sick. They need psychiatric evaluation. MPC them. One injection of them bumbo clot. Nobody wait till the moon full again, please. Now come down now, you know. Say, when they agree with me. No, it's steroids one. It's steroids. It's steroids one. You don't get that one there. If somebody will say whatness and laugh, is that joke supposed to be funny? Or we take it as a joke or an insult? Because we know it's not supposed to be say whatness. Oh wait, you never say whatness in our mansion. Oh my God, so I time every one day for the sick out there. How they need an injection to your bum back, you know. You see, I know people, I know mad too, you know. People mad. The people them, yeah, some people on the app here. Let me tell you why I'm mad. I need an injection to listen why type of people them are mad. Very fuck up and mad. In my head, in my view. I want to listen to me clearly and see if it makes sense. Girls in. Scream record, it's a tape. Shalam then no rape and the girl nation no rape. Listen to me and see if it makes sense. And tell me if them people don't need one injection in a them bum buckler. Alright, watch me now. No, you have some people on the app here where say they have money. And they don't have money. Say they're rich. Because they don't have money. But they say they're rich. Me understand the riches. Because riches is life. See? We are rich. I understand that. No bad that. But right now, if you go up on their app, you hear them a beg. Beg you something, no? Me come for beg you something, no? No. A spirit of confusion upon Shalam long before now, and me want to help me solve that equation there. You know they say tricks and trade and mathematics in business. Them for them more that tricks and trades and matches box in business. Me work with tricks and trade and mathematics in business. Because mathematics you use to business. I don't know matches box to business. One box of matches I must about $25. Me understand the business part left right now, but other than that, I'm mathematics to business. So me want to teach me how is it me have money and me have all me happen, but a morning before cock changing jars, me have to beg. You think me know say me think say me mad if me think so? Alright, well probably something wrong with me if you think say me mad if you think that. What you think about it? Greed? I don't think that agreed. Me don't think that agreed. More than more say Elon Musk greedy. Cause Elon Musk have much millions and still 1 million. That agreed. But me not see my beg. Me not see my beg. More I know, oh you have money and I beg more than the people and when you have money. Me no understand that. Alright, all a man like me, when I no money. When I no money at all. I mean there some me can there so for 4 or 5 hours. I mean I beg. But the people were rich and have gold chain and rich in a big house and car and fish dog we have. Oh my beg. At that part then me confused. The confusion, the spirit of confusion out to kill me to bumper clad. Because in my head, me feel like me uphold my standards. And them make me know say me a batty man and me a beg and me nah nothing because me nah beg. Then if me nah beg, what that make me? If me a hold out and nah make people have not alright. Right now, who we a beg? Me can't say una batty man, a man of mine, a transmission. Because una beg. But a man like me when nah beg, una go say me a beg and me nah beg I me accept say me no rich but me nah beg but una will say una live life una have the biggest chain pound the neck una have the fastest car a drive una have the prettiest house with ceramic tile and una have to turn on you happy and beg like a dog shit dress up like a Batman wine fuck out talk cussing no mother me you say you gonna rise your mother out of grave for suck cock just to beg at 2 kinds. You say your mother want your mother rise out of grave for suck a cock. I wanna do this sit down and I wanna have money. And me when I have no money me no under it's spirit of confusion that kill me. Alright. Back to the president. The president of United States or Florida or which part you come from. Oh you say me I beg you $200. But me nah come for me TikTok up and I beg. I mean nah, and you the panic up here right now I beg out your bum buckle. If you don't mind to have your skin out your body will send a pile picture. And me there right now, I mean nah beg, I mean never beg. Oh that you had up. And I me I beg you. Then why me wouldn't come beg panic hap? Why would I beg you it 200 and me can the panic hap and beg me people me can play match. Me never fi beg. Oh me why me that beg you? Oh that not add up. But you the panic hap. What you want me say I beg me now? You the panic hap I beg people we don't know. Batman, transmission. Fuck out people what you don't know. And you want me know. And you, oh that add up. It confuse and I kill me to bumbo clad. Me do the alright. We are work out this again one more time and go with them. You can help me work you out, please. Because we want to say if it makes sense for me even answer them. See? Say for example, he send me a beg him $200 me go with them. For buy food put in my house. Because hungry and kill me and me a security. Okay, I accept. Me have 100,000 people for my life. Some star just come over here and send me something we're supposed to pass $200 or even add up.
Why me wouldn't beg something star a lion? I beg me gift to them. Why me would I call a Batman AI when me don't know and text him and beg something? I mean not happy beg. It had up. Why me would I do it? Oh God, man. Why me would I do it? Give me one good reason. I saw me like you. I mean I know you. Why me would I do it? Why me would I call some star where is a woman? We come here every time come shoot for me a man without me have to talk. Why me not say some star? Me want a lion now. That no more straight. Why me that come to an AI where me don't know with a big pocket mouth and say me I beg you $200, me hungry. Oh God, man, don't do me that, me brother. Alright, watch the AI now. Alright, watch the AI now. Me I beg the AI $200. Him have that. But AI they are big Batman, a lion, and big Batman. A Batman. Be a Batman and give you AI. And yet still a me a beg the AI. They want me to beg for me up. But the bumper like this. What kind of confusion this is a big to the people, man? What kind of confusion this? Why me no beg me? Why me no wanna say yo me go with them? Me go play too much. Me don't even have to beg. Why me no say me I go play too much with me? Like alright. You say you're not beg, you play much. Can't beg, you beg. Why me not go play too much? Instead of wait till you beg your money, me come beg you $200 out of your money. What kind of Batman Shalam be? What kind of fuck out Batman Shalam would I really be? Me pussy clad. They want me to do. What kind of batty boy Shalam would I really be? Think about it and me go with them. It makes sense. Think about it just for 1 second. If you have sense, bro, man, when at least not this a man with something where people can't look on the logics from. Cause if me come out and talk and show all who really a beg, yeah, go shame, bro. I mean, I do there something there. But the logics did it from. I wanna beg right now. You can't come here, come relax, so you have to beg. You start cussing people there, man, I beg. Cause what? You rent, you build them apartment, them have bills of a beer. Oh, come on, man. Then we are going to talk some, make some, that not logical, fam. That not logical. Me understand, so I don't want to look a clout, but at least make it make sense, man. Okay, well, all I know they are big to pussy clot. I shall have alone now they are big, I still. I mean, I look. All out beg, every man, it don't make no bumper clot. As cocktail in jars a man in time. As so, for cheat, you know, care early you get up a man, you know, take the off. When last you take a day off? When last you take a day off? When last you go to the river? When last you go to the river? When last you go take a sunbath? When last you go hiking? When last you play a game of domino? Me pussy clad. Who do you take a day off and buy begging? And the man they say, I hear still was, come on now, bro, come on, man. Don't be real, man. Face the reality, man. When last you try go to the beach? When last? Fuck that. Me say man they obsessed with me. Me not do nothing when man never do. And the man they would do. And the man they say they have their own problem. Me bumper clad. When last you go to church? Yeah. You know if you have sense, man. I don't mean when I wrestle with it. If you have bumper clad sense. You know see me out there. All I know. Hear them. Shalam broke. Look at you. Look at me view at the time. You call this riches. You see real green screen there, you only can press green screen on your phone. You only can press green screen. See real green screen there. Every day, me inspiration book, brother. And when I get up, you say, we don't have problem. Me want say one man will come out of the bag. Any man will come out of the bag. That's what how the baptism did that. Some star, baby. Me and myself, come sit there and try and shimmer get thing, you know, you make a them, you know. So you love work for your money. And then move them pussy one and shit in and play them. Imagine you try this somebody will feed you. Alright, imagine no care how big you is up and they have it up. Anybody can listen in. A man can consider 2 rows and tell you suck your mother. God, 2 of them go out with 5 rows. Catch your rows, guys. Catch your roses. If you don't catch 5 rows, they kill you. You can't send them 0.000 cents and tell you suck your mother. Hey, that boy can't buy me out so. 0.00 cents when I tell you suck your mother. On the easy like 133. A man send you 0.00 cents and tell you suck your mother. You have to accept that pussy. If you don't accept it, you don't catch a next speed. I bet you not tell the man. 0.000 cents and tell you suck your mother. 1 tree. Come down now. 0.00 cents and tell you suck your mother. The boy can't run in Shalam, so. Me a bad man. Me tell TikTok suck him mother and light up me ganja. He make girl the pie suck cock. And then I tell me Shalam can't but a little spliff. I'm gonna light you right now, pussy wall. I'm gonna look a pound. I'm gonna pussy wall shit in a plate. What up? Hold on. I'm a pretty light on it. Me ganja. No go nowhere. TikTok, you can't tell me nothing about my blood clot split. For Jamaica, this represent for Bob Marley and Big Head Ganja, Fat Pussy Girl. And our wives, our food, good food, and clean water. Not the bottled water them where they must sell, we have an expiration date. Our water are no ingredients, but it have an expiration date. I won't not make it plastic water. It won't not store water shit. And Shalam. No more live like Shalam live, then they know too. That's why right now me live all I'm people are over here. And me have a restriction for black them out. 95% of them mute and if you watch on the outside page. PJ Patterson watch me right now, but through my half transmission in can't really come down. But big up yourself, Mr. PJ. Me still not drive on the highway, then me I drive way around a Lucy Bad Bush. Shalam. There's only one Shalam. The other rest them are shit in a plate. Me don't care where they come from.